Hello, everyone, and welcome to another lesson on Google Gemini. In our previous lesson, we were able to talk about some of the key features in Gemini, which are visual layouts, canvas, and guided learning. While today, as I said in our previous lesson, I say we are going to be discussing on Nano Banana. It's a feature that has to do with the creation of image. Currently in the world, Nano Banana is the most intriguing AI that creates AI design graphics, edits images, and do anything that has to do with images. Nano Banana is great at it, and that is the feature that the Gemini use to create, edit, or fine-tune images. So now let's click on the create image. Now we put in our prompt. Create a hyper-realistic image of a young, pretty Delta State of Nigeria woman wearing their traditional attire. She's standing amidst other women in the market square of the village. Now, if you have seen it, this is a typical image of a Delta State pretty woman at the market square. So you can see her, she's the one at the front, and these are the people in the market selling different. You can see it look very realistic, following my prompt. That's why it's hyper realistic. If you like, you can add more details to it. So you can see this is how you create image with detail of what you need. But today, I don't want us to talk about only how to create image, because other AIs can also create a similar image. Though Nano Banana of Gemini give much more precise results than other AI. So I want us to do something different, something that is trending, that has to do with editing of your existing picture or manipulation of pictures. Editing of pictures that you have a low quality picture and you want to edit it to a professional looking, or you want to change the clothing you are wearing from that particular picture. So, or you want to create a passport from that particular picture, or want to change the position of how you look at the camera. All this Nano Banana can do all those things for us. So for this tutorial, I'll be using my own picture for demonstration. Now let's go to a new chat. Then we'll click on the create image, which is Nano Banana. Then I will now go and upload the image. This is the image here. Let me write my prompt. Transform this image into a professional stunning vibrant studio standard photograph shot with mirrorless lens camera. Add soft focus to the background. Let's see what we have. Okay, you can see this is more refined than the image we uploaded. Then I can still continue. I will said enhance the image quality and smooth the face. Alright, let's see what we are going to have. Wow, now you guys can see, right? It has enhanced the image, it has smoothened the face, right? Okay, the next thing I want to do is that I want to change the color of this clothing. And I said, change the color of the clothes to white. So you can see it has turned the color of the clothing white. Let me say also change the color of the car to white, please. Now you guys can see the changes we are having, right? Alright. The clothing to white at Badava Boriga. Let's see. Now you guys can see the progress, right? Let's change the clothing to white Boriga. Now I'll just download this image, because if I should continue the changes in the thread, it might give me something different from the memory. So I'll download this image now, then I'll now click on the chat and continue again. So I'll click on the features button and click on create image, and then I'll click on the plus sign to upload my image. Then I will now put on my prompts like this. Make the person in the image seated in an office setup with laptop on the desk and smartphone in his hand. And let's see what we get. Now we can see it has generated an image with the same looking that person seated in an office setup with laptop and smartphone on his hands. How realistic can this be? You guys can all see. Now let us add another details and see what we are going to have. Add a beautiful young Nigerian lady wearing corporate. Handshake the man in image in the office. Let's see what we have. Wow, this is beautiful. We have an image of that very man in our office, handshake with a beautiful young girl in a corporate. So we can continue to manipulate this same picture by adding people or adding other objects or changing the position of the person. With these few examples, we are come to the end of this lesson. In our next class, we are going to be discussing how to design business logos and brandings, flyers and banners for businesses or other purposes. Thank you and do have a wonderful day.